this video I will tell you that how to repost Instagram reels. Now there is not any like official way to actually like repost the Instagram reels, but there is a little work that we can do to actually like look like that we reposted this reel. Okay, so how you can do this? So we will go into the reels tab here, and okay, uh, let's like save this reel. So first of all we have to save the reel. We will tap on these three dots at the bottom right here, and then we will actually save this reel. Okay, so now we have saved this reel. Now we will go into the our profile and tap on three lines onto the top right, and we will tap on saved. Okay, and now what we can do here, we will tap on this plus icon here at the top right, and now we have to choose this reel. So as you can see that we have saved this reel here, so we will tap on this one, and then we will tap on this one and this one. So we have selected these three reels here, and then we will tap on next, and here it says like collection name, so we will name it as reposted reels, and then we will tap on add. And now here you can see that we have reposted reels here. Okay, so when we open this up, and now if we actually want to add more reels here, we will tap on these three lines here, these three lines here, and it says like select, sorry, edit collection here. Okay, and then we can actually like change the name from here, and like this one. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.